All right, good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, January 28th, 2025. We're here at Lone Star Bucket Trucks in North Fort Worth, Texas, shooting a quick video of our 2016 Ram 5500 bucket truck. This truck is equipped with an Altec AT37G, articulated, telescopic, and insulated boom with a 42-foot working height. It's powered by a 6.4 liter gasoline Hemi, has an automatic transmission, and is in extremely good shape for its age and everything. Front bumper here is in great shape, grill, hood, windshield. It does have the trailer towing style mirrors. Coming around the passenger side here, don't see any notable damage. You know, small little chips and things, but nothing substantial. Try to let you see everything. Got levers for our lower controls up there, and then obviously a pistol grip for the upper controls. It does have two downriggers behind the cab, and it's got the downrigger pad holders underneath the utility bed there. Utility bed, all the doors open and close and latch as they should. It's got a platform style rear bumper with a receiver hitch. Does have a little ladder that'll fold up to be able to climb up into the bed. Got our outrigger levers on each side and our selector switch here on the passenger side. It's got an additional box here on top of the utility bed on the driver's side for more storage. Bucket does have a liner in it. All that's in good shape. It's got Nerf bar steps here on the side. I'll show you the interior real quick, and then we'll start it up and operate the boom. It does have power windows and locks. Seats in very good shape on both sides. 170, 370 on the miles. The truck runs great. Runs out and drives very nicely. So we're going to start it up now, operate the boom, and then at the end I'll take the truck for a quick drive. Strobes do work. So I'm going to engage the PTO. Truck idles up. Idling up is pretty important. Increases oil pressure and coolant flow, keeps the engine happy for extended idle. Makes everything last longer. Engine sounds great. Cold start is even good. There's no lift or tick or anything on the engine at all. Great boom speed. We do offer discounted shipping to anywhere in the country. If you need shipping, we can usually get it done faster and cheaper than just about anybody. If you need a shipping quote, all we need is your zip code. You can give us a call or text anytime. Telescopic portion of the boom works great. You know, take a look at the video. Let us know if there's anything you'd like to see an additional video or pictures of. He's rotating it now. Bucket's rotating towards us, the elbow away from us. Very smooth, fluid, and quiet rotation. Guy's going back the other way. We'll be glad to shoot any, short little videos or pictures of anything that you need. But I don't think there's anything about the truck that would disappoint anybody. Obviously been well cared for, and mechanically is in great shape. We do find that the gas engine trucks have a lower total cost of ownership in the long term. They're cheaper to maintain, they're less expensive to repair, and the way that these trucks are geared out, they have more than adequate power for most people's applications. So it's an excellent trade-off from the high maintenance costs and repair costs of diesels. We do sell a lot of diesels as well, and we love diesels, but you know, for a truck that's going to go out and earn your living for you, the gas engine is a great alternative nowadays. All right, I'll take it for a quick drive. Climb up here. All right. 170, 370 on the miles. Let me put my seatbelt on here so it doesn't ding on us. Does have air conditioning. Air conditioning blows cold. I'm gonna get my seatbelt on here. Apologize. Trying to do it one-handed. There we go. All right. Release the parking brake. Had it in the manual shift, put it in drive. Get it up to speed out here on the road. It's got a steel console here that's got something rattling in it. We'll get that looked at. Does have the Ison transmission in it, which is a great transmission. We've had very good luck with those over the years. Accelerates great. You know, like I said, take a look at the video and let us know if you have any questions or concerns. My name is Scott. You can reach me at 972-765-7819. And once again, this is our 2016 Ram 5500 bucket truck with an Altec AT37G. It is PTO driven boom, and just a really nice truck for its age and miles. So if you need a shipping quote or have any other questions, feel free to give us a call or shoot a text. We'll get it up to speed one more time around this corner here, and then we'll wrap up the video and get it uploaded. Engine idles extremely smooth. Transmission accelerates and shifts great. Much nicer than the average truck of this age and miles. Wait for this truck to go and then we'll get pulled out. Toward the end of the day, and traffic's a little heavier than normal. great. So let us know if you have any questions or concerns. Once again, the number is 972-765-7819. The steering wheel feels great. Alignment is on. No issues at all. Thank you very much.